So I know that Instagram can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to figure out what to post. I get it, I'm with you, but here's the thing. I have a tool for you named Planoly that's going to completely change your life. Let me show you how to plan your post with Planoly. All you have to do is open the Planoly app. Once you connect your Instagram account, you're going to click that plus sign. Then you will be able to pick your photos, and this is specifically if you're on your phone. Your photos from your albums, if you have your Dropbox connected, even Google Drive, wherever you're going to go. But in this case, I click albums. I want to post a photo of my husband and there it is. Now I have a few options here. I can just post it and just press upload, or if I want to post a carousel, then I'm going to go ahead and post that plus sign and add any other photos I want. Also, upload multiple photos from that plus sign and have to be a carousel. In this case, I'm just going to press this one, press upload, and from there, here's when the fun happens. You can actually edit the photo in the app, which is super cool. If you press on that, you can literally do whatever you need to do. For example, let's say I want to add a quick little post or a quote or something, do so with a background like I have right here, like a black background, or you can just have the pure text. Cool, what you can do, you can even crop it, adjust the brightness, the contrast, all of the things, the Planoly app. This is actually pretty new. In 2017, none of this was here about Planoly. Once you adjust your photo, you can just click that check mark to make sure that you are done. And now we're going to go in and add the hashtags. So many theories behind hashtags. So at this point, if they're not helping you, they're definitely not hurting you. So here's how you add the hashtags. You're going to press on that hashtag and then press add new hashtag group if you don't have it yet. Here's where you're going to add hashtags. You're going to name this. So maybe you can put like boss mom or mom things or mompreneur. And then you can add your group of 30 hashtags. And from there, the super cool thing, I don't know if you can see, it tells you how many hashtags you have left. So I love that feature. Once you're there, it's going to look something like this, the name of the group of hashtags and the hashtags that you want. So when you click on that, it will automatically go to your caption, schedule your posts. Here specifically, I'll tell you why we're not auto posting yet, but here specifically, we're going to click on that and pick the specific time that you want. As you continue to post with Planoly, it will pick up time to post for you. So you have to continue using and practicing with Planoly so it can pick up those analytics. And you will have some time that says best time to post. But again, you have to use Planoly in order for it to know exactly when is the time that's best for you. So you pick your time. There you go. Scheduled to go out in a few days. That's perfect. Now, here specifically, it's not auto posted. Okay. Why? Well, you have to have a business account to be able to auto post to Instagram and Facebook. So in this case, this account is a creator account. But that's okay because I'm going to have the reminder with notifications. So at 5:42 p.m., I'm going to get a quick reminder that says, hey, it's time to post. Super simple. Absolutely love this tool. I highly suggest that you do it. I have a little discount code below if you want to try out Planoly. And if you want more like this, let me know in the comments because I want to make sure to bring you more Planoly tutorials, specifically because this is literally the best ever tool. I will see you in the next video.